friends, welcome to my next video of Swing. Today we'll discuss how to add a checkbox in our frame. So let's start. To add a checkbox in our frame, we use a class CheckBox. This class is used to add a checkbox in Java frame. So how to implement this? Let's start. First open your notepad, and this is for creating a frame which I'll discuss in previous video by using constructor. Okay, so run this program. It will display only. So compile and run this program. It will only display the frame, that is Java C, then frame2.java. Sorry. Okay, then frame. So Java frame2, then it will display a frame. Okay, this will display frame. Then how to add a checkbox in this frame? So write the code here. First up I will create a class of Java checkbox, that is checkbox. Then create a object, that is CB checkbox CB1, CB2, CB3, CB4. Okay, then here also write CB1 equal to new checkbox, and write the string which you want to display, that is write Java, and copy this code and write some another string, that is C++, PHP, then Python. Okay, then set the methods, that is CB1, sorry, this is also changed, CB2, CB3, then CB4. Also set methods, that is CB1 dot set bounds, and the set x-axis for 30, then y-axis for also 30, then the width I will set 100, and the height I will set 40. Okay, then copy this code. Okay. This is for CB2, CB3, then CB4. Okay, and here change the y-axis. It is set 30, that is 80, 60. I will set 60, and this is for 90, and this is set and 120. Okay, 120. Then add this to a frame, that is f.add method, and CB1, and copy this. CB1, CB2, CB3, and CB4. Okay, then save the program and run this. Java C frame.java. Okay, successful compiled. Then run this program. Writing Java frame2. Okay, it will display like this, that is Java, C++, Python, and PHP. So thank you for watching my video. In this next video we will discuss some another classes to adding in Java frame. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.